Welcome to our YouTube exploration of Asakusa, a vibrant district in Tokyo known for its rich history, cultural landmarks, and delicious street food. In this video, we will take you through the iconic Sensoji Temple, the 5-story pagoda, Nakamise Street, and delve into the fascinating traditions that make Asakusa a must-visit destination. Asakusa is often regarded as the heart of traditional Tokyo. Its streets are lined with historical sites, bustling markets, and a plethora of food options that attract both locals and tourists alike. The area is easily accessible via the Asakusa and Ginza subway lines, making it a convenient stop for anyone looking to experience authentic Japanese culture. Our journey begins at Sensoji Temple, the oldest temple in Tokyo, founded in 645 AD. This sacred site is dedicated to Kannon, the Buddhist goddess of mercy. Legend has it that two fishermen discovered a statue of Kannon in the Sumida River, leading to the temple's establishment. Visitors enter Sensoji through the Kaminarimon Gate, which features a massive red lantern and statues of the gods of wind and thunder. This gate symbolizes protection and serves as a welcoming point for worshippers. Beyond this is the Hozomon Gate, which houses important cultural treasures and is guarded by two fierce statues known as Kongorikishi. One of the most cherished practices at Sensoji is burning incense. Visitors can purchase incense sticks and light them at the incense burner located in front of the main hall. The smoke is believed to have purifying properties, and many people waft it over themselves for blessings, health, and good fortune. Fortune telling is a popular activity at Sensoji. Visitors can draw an omikuji or a fortune slip by depositing a small fee and shaking a container until a stick with a number falls out. This number corresponds to a drawer containing their fortune written on paper. Participants often tie bad fortunes to a designated rack at the temple to leave their misfortune behind. Adjacent to Sensoji is the 5-story pagoda, which stands at 53 meters tall. This pagoda serves as a relic, housing sacred Buddhist treasures. Each level represents different elements of Buddhist teachings and offers stunning views of the surrounding area. Next, we stroll down Nakamise Street, a lively shopping street leading up to Sensoji. Here you can find an array of traditional snacks and souvenirs. Some popular foods include ninkoyaki, small cakes filled with red bean paste, senbei, Japanese rice crackers available in various flavors, kaminari okoshi, a sweet snack made from puff rice and sugar. Honestly, you could spend an entire day just eating your way to Asakusa. After soaking in the history of Sensoji, why not take a short walk to the nearby Sumida River? This area is perfect for a relaxing stroll with great views of the Tokyo Sky Tree. You can even take a boat ride down the river for a unique view of the city's skyline. Asakusa truly has something for everyone: history, culture, delicious food, and beautiful scenery. Whether you're here to pray at Sensoji, enjoy some traditional snacks on Nakamise Street, or just relax by the Sumida River, This district is a must-visit for anyone in Tokyo. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Asakusa. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Tokyo adventures. See you next time.